Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about things to do before you update to iOS 16. First of all, there are some things you should be aware of. Usually the official first version of iOS 16 just released will have many bugs and crashes. Don't expect every new feature to work properly. You may get these problems, like iPhone stuck on Apple logo, stuck on recovery mode, and screen frozen. But Apple will try best to fix them. And also apps will be not working. Not all apps, of course, will be ready for iOS 16. Devs need some time to work on it and make apps to be capable with iOS 16. So that's why Apple releases these betas for devs. Next, I will show 5 things you need to prepare. Tip 1. Check your battery. Make sure that you're over 50 battery, or it won't let you to install it, like this. So I would highly recommend plugging your phone into a charger. Then you can successfully download iOS 16 profiles. Tip 2. Check iPhone storage. Make sure that you have enough storage to download and install the iOS 16 profiles. Down to iPhone storage. You should see your storage right here. Typically installing a new beta you'll need at least about 10 gigs free. If you don't have enough storage, you cannot download iOS 16 profiles. Tip 3. Back up your iPhone. Something might go wrong and you might lose all of your data when you're updating. So go over to Settings. Tap your name, iCloud. Here you can select whatever you want to backup. Just toggle these on, so that they are all included in your iCloud backup. Then tap iCloud Backup. Right here, make sure that you have turned it on. And tap Backup now. Okay. You have your backup on your iPhone. If you don't have enough storage space in your iCloud, just go into Manage Storage right here, and you can delete some old backups. You can see old backups from different devices. If you don't need, just tap it. And tap Delete Backup. It can free up some space. If you didn't buy iCloud storage, here I recommend you to use a third-party tool. Using Share iCare Phone is a new way to back up all your data to PC. Download the software via the link in description below and launch it. Click Backup and Restore. Click Backup. Here we just select all data. You can set the backup to any location as you like. Then click Backup. iCare Phone will start to back up your iPhone. Just be patient. Once done, you can even view the backup data. Here you can see your data. When you want to restore, just click Restore to Device. It will start to restore. Tip 4. Check your Wi-Fi. Check that if you have connected to Wi-Fi, and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is good. It also affects whether you can successfully download iOS 16 profiles. Tip 5. Delete iOS 16 beta profiles. So if you have already installed iOS 16 beta and want to directly update to the official without updating to the RC version, just head on to Settings. Go to the General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Here you can see the profile. Go here. Tap Remove Profile. Then you're good. Well, thanks for watching. You can subscribe us to get more information about iOS 16. Stay tuned for our next videos.